Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. I've got the gist for you from the Ultimate Love part. I think Iykeresa or Roksie will win the Ultimate Love show. The Ultimate Love online TV program is coming to an end, and as the day approaches, the competition is also getting high. Looking back to the previous nomination, you will discover that these two couples have been topping polls of the final results of how the viewers voted. These two couples also have the largest fans who has been helping them and also supporting them to stay in the house. These couples are seen on TV to share genuine love and moments, and this is what the Ultimate Love show is about, and it is about finding genuine love. Roksie and Kachi have also been able to prove their love, as Kachi accepted Roksie despite her past and despite the age difference between them. Iyke and Teresa also are the youngest couple in the house. They are only concerned about each other in the house, and they appear real. They have had the highest vote, and presently Roksie fans are already up with a rally, which was also a support for them. No other fans of the Ultimate Love couples have done this. What do you think, guys? Who do you think will win the Ultimate Love reality television show 2020? For me, I think it's between Iykeresa and Roksie. I know there are also other contestants, other strong couples in the show, like Double Chris, Obiabi, Presh David. So share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Let's get our results here. Okay guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.